Hi there. Welcome to Wise Wednesday with Coach Lisa. Today we're going to talk about motivation. It's a desire. It's a reason to do something. You make it happen. Stay tuned. My name is Lisa W. Beckwith. I am a life coach, author, and educator. I want to talk to you today about motivation and what that looks like. It causes you to be activated in what you're wanting. It causes you to be active in what you're wanting to see for yourself. No one can do it but you. You are that activator. So you have to dig deep. You have to find out what's in the core of your soul in order for you to get the results that you're needing for yourself. Your motivation could be weight loss. Your motivation could be getting out of a relationship. Your motivation could be to eat better. Whatever your motivation is, only you can make it happen. So I have 7 tips that will hopefully help you and remind you of what you're wanting to achieve for yourself. Number 1, you first have to believe in yourself. Believe in the goals that you're wanting to set. Believe in the vision that you see for yourself. Believe that you're going to connect with people and align yourself with the universe in a way that only you can do that. Number 2, remind yourself what is important to you. What's important to you may not be important to someone else. And it's okay. That's what makes this world a unique place. So if everyone was doing the same thing, if everyone had the same desires, we would pretty much be a boring world. And we see that boredom is not something that this world likes. Number 3, remember when you set the goals, you'll make them happen. You'll get a vision for it. I have a vision board and I always look at it. Once I've mastered my goals, I update the goals because there's always something else for me to do. Something else that I can be inspirational in. So make sure you set those goals. Number 4, control you by controlling your emotions. Don't get upset when it doesn't happen, when you think it should happen. A lot of women go through that. I have to be married by this time. I have to have children by this time. I have to. And then you find yourself not motivating yourself in a positive way. You're bringing yourself down. So control those emotions and don't let them control you. Don't allow that little person inside to dictate for the adult that you are now. Number 5, educate yourself. You may have to find something that you need to inspire you. So you need to educate yourself on it to make sure this is what I want to do. Sometimes we have temporary moments, and that's okay. Nothing's permanent. So if you have a goal that you're wanting to reach, and it's a short-term goal, it's okay. You are the one that's lining yourself up to reach it. But you have to know what you're wanting. So that education piece is nothing but knowledge. Find out what you want. Number 6, build relationships with experts, such as myself, having a life coach to give you tasks to follow, or a therapist who will help guide you out of your past. Life coaching guides you into your future. So you're wanting to have an expert so that they know exactly what it takes for you to come out of where you are and go into a place of where you want to be. Number 7, salute yourself. Pat yourself on the back once you've accomplished your goals, because if you don't celebrate you, who will? And if others do celebrate you, that's extra. We are the 100%. We don't look to others to fulfill us or to complete us. So celebrate you, salute yourself, enjoy your decision of making a change for you. You are the motivator, and I believe in you, and I'm asking you to believe in you so that we can make a difference in the world. When we motivate ourselves, others see it anyway, and that is a possibility of a way to motivate them. Each one reach one. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and join me weekly. I give inspirational, fruitful thoughts for your mind so that you can be able to channel things differently. So remember, life is to serve and be served, and I enjoy serving you every week. Have a great day.